On question 3, my first step is to get the same base. So both 27 and 9 I can express as 3 raised to some power. So 27 is 3 raised to the third, and I'm putting that in parentheses. And 9 is 3 raised to the 2. So I'm not changing the value of 27 and 9. I'm just changing the way that it's being expressed. So on the left, this is power to power, which means we need to multiply. So 3 raised to the 3x minus 6. So I distributed that. And that's equal to 3 raised to the 2. So now that they have the same base, I can look at just the exponents. So 3x minus 6 is equal to 2. And then I want to add 6 to both sides, and then divide both sides by 3. So my final answer is x is equal to 8/3. On 4, I want to get the same base. So I'm not going to change the left-hand side, but the right-hand side we have 1. And I can express 1 as 5 raised to some power, and that power would be 0, because anything raised to the 0 is equal to 1. So now I want to set the exponents equal, and then solve. And my final answer will be 3/2.